Look at that beauty. I'm pretty sure they're interviewing like the engineers or whatever. Everyone that worked in the Gundam right behind me.
Dude, it's tight. It's like so cool.
Oh yeah.
I feel like a little kid, dude.
Yo, so it's so cold right now. My hands are freezing, but I wanted to show you guys the other aspects of this Gundam spot, I guess, this Gundam base, I would say, because there's more than the moving Gundam. They also have a Gundam Cafe, which I'm about to show you right here. I'm probably gonna go inside and grab something, and just because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty warm in there, but it looks like they have hamburgers, hot dogs, pasta, rice bowl, curry rice, salad, and soup. So you know, nothing too crazy, but it's cold out here. My hands are freezing. I'm about to go inside to warm up and maybe get some food, and I'm gonna show you guys inside too. Let's get it. So the cool part about the cafe is you're inside the cafe and your view is the Gundam. That's crazy. Alright, let's try to go inside. Alright y'all, I'm about to go online for this Gundam Cafe, and I'm gonna show you guys the menu that they have in here. Looks like you can get I might get this clear bottle that says Gundam Factory Yokohama, just cause it's gonna be like a little souvenir. So that's what I'm gonna get right now, and I don't know, probably get some rice bowl, because you know rice is life, baby. Rice is life. So I'm gonna go get some rice and get this clear bottle for a souvenir out here in Yokohama. Alright, I'm about to go inside. Hopefully I can show you guys around. Let's get it. Yo, it's freezing. My hands are numb. I gotta go inside. Yeah, but if y'all come through, make sure y'all dress warm, especially around this time frame. December, January, it gets really cold. Alright, I'm about to go in. Hi. About to go in, so let's see how it goes. Yo, that's crazy. So all the rice stuff is sold out. So I'm pretty sad about that, but dang, all the rice stuff is sold out, y'all. Look at that. All the rice stuff is sold out. Yeah, we took an L on the rice, so I'm gonna have to get something else. It's all good though. We gotta adapt, you know, we gotta learn how to adapt and survive. So we're gonna get something other than rice. I know, what a shocker, right? Alright, I'm gonna make my order and I'm gonna sit down. I couldn't get rice, but I got this cool little clear bottle. It's a little souvenir for the Gundam Factory in Yokohama. It's pretty cool. And I even got spaghetti. Yes sir. I'm about to do some eating, warm up, and then I'm about to head outside and see what else is here. So see y'all in a bit. Peace. Alright y'all, I just finished eating. I mean, the food's not anything crazy, nothing special. It's not bad, but I mean the price is kind of high for what it is. but that's how it is in tourist locations, you know, tourist spots like these. That tends to happen. But I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And I got this cool souvenir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I mean, it's cool. It held me over. I'll probably eat again after here, but I'm gonna go explore some more and let's see what we find. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But yeah, the food's not bad. A little overpriced, but that's how it is in these tourist locations. Alright, let's go and see what's up out there, and hopefully we find something else here. I think there's other spots here. There's a Gundam base that sells a lot of Gundam, so hopefully we can go in there if the line's not that long. Alright y'all, let's get it. Yo, another cool thing that they give you, because it's the opening day, is this right here. It's a Gundam that you can build. So it looks like this, but when you finish building it, it's supposed to look like this. So hopefully I'm able to get you guys this finished product, but I don't know. I'm pretty good at puzzles, so hopefully it'll be good. It'll be pretty easy, but yeah, you get one of these during the opening day while supplies last. So this is a pretty cool little souvenir from here. I don't know if they'll resell this anywhere, but yeah, this is pretty tight. I'm gonna have this guy, and I'm gonna display this guy to commemorate the Yokohama Gundam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's a cool little touch that they have for the opening day. Yes, sir. Yo, there's this chick behind me, and she's wearing like, she has no pants.
What?
How is she not wearing pants? Yo, how is she not wearing pants right now? It's so cold. I'm freezing. That's crazy. She has to be cold. There's no way she's not cold right now. There's no way she's not dying. That's crazy. She got no pants on. She's got like a little skirt. Damn, this ain't even... I'm shocked right now. I don't know how she's surviving right now, y'all. I don't know how she's surviving, but I mean, do you, you know? You do you, I do me, and we all good, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty funny though. Big props to her, big props. Alright, I'm gonna keep going on and keep exploring this area, y'all. Let's get it. Yes, sir. It's crazy because on one side you can see the Gundam. Right there, there's a Gundam right there. And if you look over inside, you got a good view of the Yokohama skyline. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, sir. People are getting interviewed. I'm not really sure who they are. I think they're the people behind this Gundam. I think they're the people that work on the Gundam, because they're getting interviewed. Like, they got a full mic set up and they got a cameraman in there. So I think these are the people that worked on it, which is pretty cool because today is the opening day. So this is pretty cool stuff. They're looking at me right now. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're interviewing like the engineers or whatever. Everyone that worked in the Gundam right behind me. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I gotta go. So the people behind me are in line for the Gundam base, and you can buy more figures in there, or more Gundams that you can build, and that's what they're in line for. All those people are in line for the Gundam base to buy a Gundam. that they can build, you know. But I might have to skip out on this one just because the line is super long, and it closes at, this place closes at 2100 or at 9 p.m. So I'm gonna go check out the other spots, and I don't know if I would even buy something in there right now because those models can get really expensive. But yeah, I'm gonna go check other spots before I commit to going to this line. So let's see what else they got out here. I'm about to go into this Gundam Lab, see what's up. Alright, I'm inside the Gundam Lab, y'all. I think it's just mainly the history and the how this all came about, so let's check it out.
I just want this in my house.
You want the scale model?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I just want this in my house.
Dude, this is freaking amazing.
How do you feel about it, man?
Dude, it's tight. It's like so cool.
Oh yeah.
I feel like a little kid, dude.
Yes, sir.
I feel like a little kid.
I remembered watching this on like Toonami, man.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Look at that model, man. Look at the scale model.
this is like every nerd's
I
dream.
like the little truck with
If I
it.
had that in my room, though.
Dude.
I mean, yeah, imagine that in your room.
Yeah, that would be tight.
So yeah, that Gundam is actually the OG Gundam, the first Gundam they got. Is what this is, the RX-78F00. So, yes, if y'all didn't know that, fun fact. Yeah, so most of the Gundam is made out of carbon fiber because they needed something light for it to be able to move. So that's pretty cool stuff. It's a fun fact, another fun fact for y'all. And they have a little like VR experience in here too. Hopefully I can show you guys it. I'm kind of running out of battery, but we'll see what I can do for y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But also the scale, you know? Like it's the equivalent of how many cars now? The weight.
What do you think of the whole experience, man?
Man, it's awesome, man. It's better than the dreams, you know?
Yes, sir.
Shoot,
Yes,
dude,
sir.
they use carbon fiber, bro.
Oh yeah. So that stuff behind me, that screen is actually a live feed of the Gundam outside. That's pretty cool. And they have that that VR place. But I'm gonna keep exploring this stuff. I don't know if I can record the whole thing, but might have to cut it off right here. But I appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification icon for more content, and I'll see y'all next time. We out. Peace.
Simple